at your eyes. Ain't nobody here but you and me.
Hi guys, I'm Alyssa.
And I'm Itzel.
And we're on our way to the beach right now because it's like 3 million degrees outside. So we're going to the beach.
Can you see I get it, Ben? Can you get it? Can you see I can bend? Can you get it?
We've just arrived at the beach and we made a mistake because we didn't look at the weather. And it's like 100 degrees where we live and it's like negative 100 where we are.
It's cold.
Watch. DIY. You know the shirts that they be selling like this? Nope. What do you guys spend money for? This is my mom's shirt when she was pregnant and I cut it. And now look, bitch.
So we're about to go walk the pier right now because it's dummy cold.
I cut my hair today. Oh my god.
How do you feel? Like a new person or what?
Yeah, bitch. New month, new me.
Legit, we're gonna touch a ball. It's legit a ball.
Everyone's welcome at the beach.
We're touching a ball.
Ben, can you get it? Can you see I get it, Ben? Can you get it? Can you see I can bend? Can you get it? Can you see I get it, Ben?
We walked so far and we finally made it.
But we came to the beach, not on a hike. We got some really expensive photographers.
So we're now getting food. We just came back from the beach. It was super cold and it's still kind of cold now.
Kind of.
I'm shaking because it's so cold. We're going to eat at Boiling Crab and I'm so sore.
Alyssa doesn't even eat shrimp or anything.
No, I do.
She's
No, I
here
do.
to get chicken strips. If you don't take your ass-
No, I do. I just feel bad because like I know they're dead already, but like ripping their heads off and all that, I feel super bad. So I don't do it. Like I don't eat it. So we just finished eating. I'm so full.
I ate 2 pounds. My little ass. Like,
Oh,
where
I
does
thought
it
you
go?
got a pound. Thank you. Thank you. So we're at a soccer game, watching our friends. Support system.
I got a game in 30 minutes and I'm not ready.
So we were supposed to go to sleep by now,
But we never sleep early.
but it was kind of change of plans.
You guys are cute. Dude, have you ever been on the lives on YouTube? Have you ever been on anything live?
Yes.
So
It is 1:05 in the morning and we're at the beach again.
again,
Tomorrow I want to be in it.
but
Hi guys.
pop tag. Okay, so we just got home and we're gonna shower and then go to sleep because we are exhausted.
Yeah.
But
Honestly, I feel like it got darker even though there was no sun.
But we will be posting our next video on Saturday
Because it's Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, love. And if you don't know that song yet, you need to learn it because it's a good fucking song. Okay, anyways, that's it. And cut.